Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain PlayStation 5 maintenance. To begin, gather your essential tools such as a soft microfiber cloth, a small vacuum, and a can of compressed air. Before you start, always power down your console completely and unplug all cables, including the power cord and HDMI. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental damage during the cleaning process. Taking these first steps correctly is crucial for effective maintenance. Now, let's tackle the exterior. Use your soft, dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or smudges from the console's outer shell. Next, take your small vacuum on a low setting and carefully remove dust from the air vents and all ports. For those harder-to-reach areas, use short, controlled bursts of compressed air to dislodge any stubborn dust particles. This keeps the exterior looking great and improves airflow. Moving inside, carefully remove the two white side plates of your PlayStation 5. This gives you access to the internal fan and heatsink. Use your compressed air to gently blow away accumulated dust from these critical cooling components. Remember to hold the can upright and use short bursts. It's important to avoid touching any sensitive internal parts directly with your hands to prevent static discharge or damage. Reattach the plates securely when finished. To keep your PlayStation 5 running smoothly for years, consider these preventative tips. Always place your console in a well-ventilated area, avoiding enclosed cabinets or cramped spaces. Aim to perform a thorough cleaning every 2 to 3 months, depending on your environment. Ensuring proper airflow around the console is key to preventing overheating and maintaining optimal performance. A little regular care goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.